Hey guys, this week we don't have a Jeep video. I'm working on fixing the window regulator and the door. Any of you two-door guys know that the regulators aren't made anymore, so you have to fix what you got, and I'm trying to do that. So instead of half-assing this video, I figure we'll do a video on this, my newest tool. So this is the Mini Ductor. I saw it on another YouTube channel, thought it was neat, so I figured I'd let you guys in on it. So it's an inductive heater, basically plugs into your 120 outlet, regular household power, and then you use these little dudes pushed into here, and it conducts heat. So it looks like you get the inductor, you have 3 of these little jobs here. Some different uses of it. Pretty much trash to me. Gets us some different accessories here. You can get different electrodes and stuff like that. I don't even know what the hell these things are called. These 2 are coil kits, or 3 are coil kits. You can get different coils, I guess, for it, depending on what you're working on. Alright. They seem to be formable, so I mean you could wrap this around some kind of bolt or something. You know, something that's already on the vehicle, connected to this dude, and then go ahead and start heating. This guy's kind of rigid, similar to this one, except it's kind of pre-bent. Looks like you might be able to bend it again, but I'll probably keep that straight for now. And then this guy, is kind of flexible. So same idea, you can wrap a couple coils around something that's, you know, connected on the vehicle already, and put the heat to it. I say let's give it a shot. Let's try a U-bolt. Hoo-hoo-hoo! That some bitch is hot. Very hot. Look at that. Cool. Let's try something else. So this right here is the caliper off my Dana 44. And if any of you are from the Midwest, you know that after about 10 years of being on the car, the bleeder screw here is pretty much seized to the caliper, and you end up drilling it out and everything. So the purpose of this thing is to basically heat that up. And all you do is press the little red button. hot, I guess. Let's try a different end. Use their preformed job for this. Well, fuck. That sucks. So I'm using the U-form coil. Let's see what happens now. Tip's getting hot. The base is getting hot now. I don't know. This one might be a little bit too stuck for it. I don't know if it moved or not. Or if it just twisted. Oh my God. Holy shit. Look at that, folks. Sweet. That's awesome. There you go, guys. That's the Mini Ductor 2. I'm pretty impressed with it. I got this on Amazon. There's a couple of Chinese brands of this and everything. I actually went with the Induction Innovation one. Just because it seems, I don't know, the other one seems kind of cheap. Just from looking at the ad. But apparently it works. I imagine there's some things that it doesn't do. Because it doesn't seem like it gets as hot as like an acetylene torch. So, but I mean, it got that bleeder loose. That's pretty amazing. Seems like the tighter you wind the coils around something, the more efficient it is. So that always helps. But otherwise, yeah, I'm impressed. You know, I did work on that first one, but I don't think I was patient enough with it. So, just gotta be patient, I guess. Biggest reason I bought this was because, you know, we're gonna be putting the lift on the Jeep here soon. The sun's coming out. We're in the mid 50s now daily, so it's getting to be that time where we're gonna put the lift on the Jeep. So we'll be tackling that soon. I want to get this door fixed first. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.